Hi and welcome, Mike 0 Kilo November Mike here, and welcome back. Today's video is a video just to show you we've a new addition to the shack. Come in a bit. As you can see, I've got the Kenwood TS2000, and if I come back a bit, excuse the noise of my chair, as you can see the shack has undergone a little revamp. The reason for that is for when I had in my last video excuse me, in my last video it was all the radios and the equipment was all buried inside the wood. We realised that this radio was going to be a lot bigger, so it wasn't going to suit the way I had it all designed, and there was a lot of room that was that could be used. It was a lot of unused space behind all the wood, so we redid it all, and we've come up with this. It's a lot better reached, it's more open, so I can see everything. Excuse my chair is really squeaky. So the TS2000, I don't know, it's not brilliant, that I think that light's a bit bright there, but excuse me, we got this off my local club. There's one small ding there, but we got this off my local club. It was from a silent key. Unfortunately, sad man. Here we go. M0 XJP. Oh, keep knocking out the cable, and I have only just got this. I need to read the manual and have a look at what all the menus do, etc. This is actually replacing, we zoom in there, this is actually going to replace that Yaesu FT840 that we're selling on. There is a contest on tomorrow that we have now got the Kenwood working on the cat control, so I'm going to use this for my contest tomorrow. Now, I have got an issue with software. If I can just bring it all up, I'll show you. Connect on that one. Right, so we got it connected. As you can see, got M1 logger here, and I want to have this screen being able to capture it on the computer. Now, I have done it here. If I just zoom in there a bit. Now, as you can see, capturing when it decides to focus a bit better. Don't know why it's not focusing properly. Why is it not focusing properly? Okay. So, as you can see, right here where my mouse is, you can see the screen of the TS2000. So I have that there, and I have it running via the control program for the TS2000 which uses the COM port, and the login software, so it changes the frequency when I change. We use also the COM port. Now if anybody knows of a way that I can have the screen of the TS2000 captured, and you being able to use the COM port for the login software, I would be appreciative if you could comment in the comments below to let me know how you do it. Unfortunately, I'm still yet to find out. So tomorrow when I do the contest, I may not be able to have this screen here come up, which I really would like it. But if we can't have it, you know, we'll have to find a different way of doing it. I used to use, for the FT840, I used a camera facing the radio. So if we have to do that, I will. But this is how I would prefer to do it. So the TS2000, I've only just got it. I've only just basically turned it on. I've done a reset for it because buttons 1, 2 and 3 had the call sign of the silent key. So we had to reset it. So far I'm quite impressed. The only other thing I don't know how to do is I want to do digital modes with it. Now I have read online that at the back of the radio you can't use the ACC2 port on the back of the radio because of issues with PTT, I think it is. But it may be the case I have to do the same like I do with the FT840 and go in through the front, through the microphone socket. So if I can do that, then the digital modes like the FT8 would be relatively easy. Via that. The only thing I'm stuck on is on the FT840 I had a line, or an audio line output out the back of the radio. Now I can't see one on here. Like I said, I need to read the manual just to find out. But if anybody knows how I can get like a line audio out, because I need it to go obviously out of this into the signaling box for receiving the received audio. So if anybody also knows that could help me out, and let me know in the comments, please. That would be much appreciated. And yeah, this video was just to show you the new addition to my shack, and just a quick of how we've got this now set out. It looks a bit better, I think. Also, I have noticed that with this radio, my noise level has dropped. It used to be 9 on 80 meters. It used to be S9 and above. It could have been the fact of how I had it all set up. There was causing local interference. I'm not sure, but the way it's set out at the moment, my interference has gone down from S9 to, I mean, it's starting to creep up now, but it was about 4 or 5. So yeah, quite excited to use this tomorrow on the contest. Again, if anybody's listening, wants to see, then I'll be on the contest tomorrow. I'll be doing it live. So and also I'll also have live chat So pop in the live chat, say hello, and maybe I even work here. You never know. So on that note, I shall wish you everybody 73s. This is M0KNM signing out. Thank you for watching. Oh, and also, if you like the video, please thumbs up. Dislike it, thumbs down. Hopefully no one dislikes them, but you never know. Comment and subscribe, please. 73s.